Welcome to SysCloud. In this video, we'll give you a walkthrough of SysCloud Backup for HubSpot. SysCloud Backup for HubSpot is designed to help users quickly recover lost data from accidental deletions, ransomware attacks, and other data loss events. Under HubSpot, we backup contacts, companies, deals, tickets, custom properties, workflows, website pages, blog posts, and other objects. Setting up HubSpot backup using SysCloud is very simple. You can securely connect your HubSpot accounts and define the retention period for your backup archives by creating a backup job. Once set up, the backup runs automatically every day. We also have an on-demand backup option in case you want to instantly run an incremental backup for a specific account. Once you've configured your backup, you can see a comprehensive dashboard where you can track the backup progress of all your connected HubSpot accounts. The dashboard also displays the usage stats, backup and restore health reports and errors, backup trends, admin roles available, and audit logs of all the admin and end user activities. The dashboard view is also available for individual HubSpot accounts. Just search for the account in the search box to view the backup dashboard associated with a specific account. In the backup archives, you can drill down into each account to view all its objects, records, and engagements. You can also view any custom properties created for objects such as contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and products. Instead of having to go through multiple steps to navigate to the account archives, you can make use of SysCloud's smart navigation feature to quickly navigate to the archives or dashboards for any account. SysCloud lets you effortlessly restore data with original record associations intact. Data can be restored at various levels. You can restore specific engagements such as notes, tasks, or emails logged in a record, restore single or multiple records, or even an entire object. You can also export data from your archives in CSV or XLSX format. To help you deal with ransomware and data corruption, we have a point-in-time restore feature which will allow you to easily restore or export an older version of the data at any given point in time. SysCloud has several features that make it easy for administrators to manage backups and handle restore requests. Administrators can set up multiple backup admin roles with granular controls on access rights. Admins can also keep track of all the restores and exports using our detailed restore and export reports. With SysCloud's granular progress tracking, you can get an accurate time of completion for all your restores and exports. Thousands of IT administrators use SysCloud as a single pane of glass to backup and manage critical SaaS applications. Start your 30-day free trial today.